Ashwin, thanks for doing this, man. It's fun to be having this conversation with you. Welcome.
Happy to be here, bro. How's it going?
Very well, bro. Very well. So, before we start, I want to talk about हमारे जो listeners हैं आज, उनको क्या मिलेगा, ठीक है? मैं पहले ही लोगों को बता देना चाहता हूँ कि आज की conversation से तुमको क्या मिलेगा. तो दो तीन चीजें मेरे दिमाग में हैं अश्विन. One of the things that I want to do is मैं तुमसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि एक बंदे को जिसको बीजेजे शुरू करनी है, जिसको ग्राउंड गेम अपनी इंप्रूव करनी है, चाहे वो प्रो फाइटिंग के लिए करनी हो, चाहे वो सेल्फ डिफेंस के लिए करनी हो, या चाहे वो सिर्फ बीजेजे के लिए करनी हो, उसका क्या फ्रेमवर्क हो सकता है, उसकी क्या स्ट्रेटजीज हो सकती हैं. सो वील गेट इन, दिस इज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स वील गेट इनटू, राइट? सो
Sure.
could you just briefly talk about, by the end of today's conversation, what do you think people will have, what kind of understanding do you think we'll be able to give to people?
So going into BJJ, if you were to do it alone, and let's say you don't have access to a gym,
और मैं सॉरी टू कट यू, मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा अगर हम बीच
हाँ
बीच में थोड़ी हिंदी डाल सकते हैं ना,
हाँ हाँ चलेगा, नो
तो
प्रॉब्लम.
मैं भाई ये पॉडकास्ट पूरे हिंदुस्तान में फैला देंगे,
नहीं नहीं,
आग लगा
चलेगा
देंगे.
चलेगा
गांव गांव में
चलेगा.
बच्चा बच्चा सुनेगा हमको, गांव गांव में बच्चा बच्चा सुनेगा हमको. हाँ,
तो अगर
ठीक है.
आप अकेले और जिम जिम नहीं जा सकते, अभी लॉकडाउन है, तो सोलो ड्रिल्स वगैरह आप लोग शुरुआत कर सकते हैं घर पे. उसके अलावा अगर आपके पास एक पार्टनर है, तो सेल्फ डिफेंस के लिए बहुत सारे कोर्सेज हैं ऑनलाइन जो आप पकड़ सकते हो. um, अगर जिम्स खोले, then depending on your area you can find a decent gym, but again that's not too hard in today's world because BJJ is growing, especially in our country, so it's very very easy to do. मगर अभी अगर लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे तो सोलो ड्रिल सीख सकते हैं हम घर पे बड़े आराम से. और अगर भाई बहन है, ट्रेनिंग पार्टनर है, तो काफ़ी
सही.
कोर्सेज कोर्सेज.
तो मैं आपसे ऑब्वियसली आज की कॉन्वर्सेशन में मैं आपसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगा इसके बारे में कि क्या सोलो ड्रिल्स हम कर सकते हैं, एक बिगिनर को क्या फोकस करना चाहिए, क्या उसका गोल होना चाहिए, क्या कितनी ग्राउंड गेम आने के बाद एज अ कोच आप रेकमेंड करोगे कि ये बंदा अब केज में जाके एमेच्योर फाइट कर सकता है, या ये बंदा अब केज में जाके प्रो फाइट कर सकता है. क्योंकि आज की डेट में अश्विन जी, मैं ये देख रहा हूं कि किसी को कुछ भी नहीं आता ना, वो भी केज में घुस जाता है.
मगर बोलते हैं कि उनको बहुत पता है.
हाँ,
बोल तो लेते सब.
एक बॉक्सर भी केज में घुस जाता है, एक
हाँ,
वुशु वाला भी केज में घुस जाता है.
आधे से ज़्यादा तो
एक
वुशु ही
एक
है.
कई बार उल्टा भी होता है, कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि बंदे ने सिर्फ ग्रैपलिंग सीखी है और वो
हाँ,
केज में घुस जाता है. दोनों
बिल्कुल
चीजें गलत हैं यार. दिस इज
बिल्कुल.
मिक्स्ड मार्शल आर्ट्स, दिस इज नॉट रेसलिंग, दिस इज नॉट बॉक्सिंग, दिस इज नॉट वुशु, दिस इज नॉट मुay thai, दिस इज मिक्स्ड मार्शल आर्ट्स. So I'd love to
Correct.
get your take on this. Yeah.
With hybrid athletes and the kind of athletes that are out there nowadays, you need at least more than one martial art. अगर आप एक मार्शल आर्ट को पकड़ के घुसने की कोशिश करोगे केज में, तो आपको काफ़ी तकलीफ हो सकती है, क्योंकि एक बड़ा सा गैप है आपके गेम में जो कभी फिल नहीं होगा जब तक आप उस पर टेंशन दो. तो like you said rightly, if you do only BJJ, if you do only wrestling, if you do only striking, it's tough. You need at least one striking based martial art and one grappling based martial art. So somebody with a grappling based martial art, एक साल से पहले तो मैं recommend नहीं करूंगा amateur MMA.
हम्म.
1 year at least.
राइट. तो भाई, हमने लोगों को ये बता दिया कि आज की कॉन्वर्सेशन में हम उनको क्या देने वाले हैं, राइट?
हम्म,
अब
हम्म,
आई एम श्योर सम पीपल मस्ट बी वंडरिंग कि अच्छा ठीक है, आप लोग हमें ये बताने तो वाले हो, बट आप कौन हो?
जी.
तो could you, so I honestly believe you are one of the best people to go to if somebody wants to learn Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu in
Thank you, sir.
North India at least.
Thank you,
I'm gonna
sir.
just say North India, okay?
Right, right.
One of the best.
Yeah, yeah.
तो तो
uh,
तो भाई, could you tell us a little bit about आपने कहाँ
so
सीखा, आपका क्या
जी.
एक्सपीरियंस है?
So I am a purple belt under Mike Morrell. Mike Morrell is the Nogi instructor at the Half Gracie Academy in San Francisco. And he runs his own academy called Cave Academy out of Pacifica, which is just outside San Francisco. In terms of competition experience, I have a lot of national medals, all gold, luckily. ADCC Openweight Gold 2020. That is my background in BJJ. Apart from that, I've been doing Muay Thai for this is my 9th year of Muay Thai. So Yeah, man, and wrestling and grappling, judo, everything you can think of, I am doing it. That's my background.
बहुत सही, बहुत सही। तो भाई आप पर्पल बेल्ट हो। अब ये
जी।
जो सिस्टम होता है ब्राजीलियन
हम्म।
जिजित्सु का, जो बेल्ट सिस्टम है, ये काफी डिफरेंट है बाकी। देयर आर सो मेनी अदर मार्शल आर्ट्स
सबसे
लाइक।
क्लोजेस्ट इसके जूडो है।
अच्छा, ठीक
हम्म।
है। सो इसमें क्या सीक्वेंस होता है भाई जर्नी का,
वाइट।
कि मैं ब्लू कब तक पहुंच सकता हूँ
जी। जी।
एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट। मैंने एक कोट सुना था कहीं पे, एक देयर वाज आई थिंक हीलियो ग्रेसी सेड दिस,
हम्म।
that if you are a blue belt, then you are capable of fighting one unarmed person on the
राइट।
road yourself.
अनआर्म्ड एंड अनट्रेन्ड इन बीजेजे।
Unarmed and untrained in BJJ.
करेक्ट।
If you are a blue belt, you can fight one unarmed and untrained person on the road.
करेक्ट।
So
एंड
कितना टाइम
आइडियली
लगता है भाई ब्लू बेल्ट?
डिपेंड्स ऑन द कंट्री। जैसे हमारे कंट्री में जैसे मेरे ब्लू बेल्ट्स के लिए मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत हाई है, तो मैं उनको पकड़ के रखता हूँ वाइट बेल्ट पे थोड़ी देर के लिए।
हम्म
इन अदर जिम्स, इन अदर अकेडमीज मैं बोल नहीं सकता वो कितनी देर रखते हैं आप लोगों को वाइट बेल्ट पे, मगर काफ़ी जिम 3-4 महीने में दे देते हैं आपको। मेरे जिम
तीन
में
चार महीने में?
इफ यू रेगुलर, इफ यू देयर डे इन डे आउट, 3-4 महीने बड़े
That's
आराम से लग
crazy,
जाएंगे
man. That's
इजीली। दैट्स
from
अ
most
प्रॉब्लम।
instructors I've heard 2 years, 1.5 to 2 years.
No, it's a problem, man. So yeah, if you go to Thailand, you can get a blue belt in like 3-4 months. Uh,
Fuck.
but yeah, so that's an easy one. The blue belt is easy. Uske baad you get into your experience belts, which is your purple, brown, and then finally your black.
Acha. Okay.
So that's the
Purple,
order.
brown, and black.
Purple, brown,
Right.
black.
So, could you tell us a little bit about your journey from blue to purple? What
So
was it
I was
like?
at white. So I was at white for the longest time, for about 7 years, because there were no instructors here, right? कोई
हाँ,
नहीं है मुझे प्रमोट
right,
करने में। उसके
right.
बाद फिर माइक से मिला। फिर
Hmm.
माइक ने मुझे ब्लू दिया, एंड देन अबाउट 1 year आफ्टर माय ब्लू आई गॉट माय पर्पल। सो इट वाजंट लॉन्ग आफ्टर माय
Hmm.
ब्लू।
What were the changes you felt कि भाई blue से purple में जब गए?
हाँ।
How did you like? What changed in you in terms of competence, in terms of skill level? What would you say are the
पर
main differences, man? If there's a blue belt and a purple belt, what would you say are the main advantages that the purple belt has?
मेनली एक्सपीरियंस। So
अच्छा.
the belt, in my opinion, after a certain point, is for teaching experience, okay, and the
Hmm.
ability to teach. So which is why it's important to recognize who's been around longer and who knows. I mean, unfortunately, it doesn't always experience doesn't always equate to knowledge, but
Hmm.
in our world that's what's presumed कि उस भाई ने 10 साल से किया तो ज्यादा पता होगा उसको। नहीं, मगर हमारी दुनिया में ऐसे नहीं है।
Hmm.
तो that's the difference to other people. Personally, I felt no difference. I mean, I feel a difference on a weekly basis because I train super hard
Hmm.
and I'm working on my skill constantly. So between the belt levels, it didn't really make a difference, मगर मेरा तो वीकली बेसिस पे
अच्छा,
चेंज
मैंने
दिखता है।
ये भी सुना है अश्विन की कई स्कूल्स में ऐसा होता है, वो आपको टेक्निक के बेसिस पे बेल्ट दे देते हैं कि ये 10 टेक्निक हैं, ये आप
इनको
डेमोन्स्ट्रेट
कर लो
करके
आप।
बताओ। हाँ,
ग्रेसी एकेडमी करता था काफी देर के लिए ब्लू बेल्ट।
लेकिन कई स्कूल्स ऐसे हैं जो रोलिंग और लड़ाई के बेसिस पे देते हैं कि आप
बिल्कुल।
कितने घंटे आके यहाँ रोल कर रहे हो, कितने घंटे आके यहाँ स्पार कर रहे हो। तो भाई मेरा कॉमन सेंस बोलता है कि रोलिंग वाला सिस्टम इज बेटर। टेक्निक्स तो
इस
ऑब्वियस हैं।
बिल्कुल सब्जेक्टिव है बिल्कुल, बट अ गुड वे टू टेल इज अ मिक्स, सबका मिक्स अगर आप लेके लो अच्छी तरह, कि भाई को टेक्निक्स पता है, इनको ये रोलिंग राउंड्स में अच्छा अच्छा
यार वो
करता
तो
है।
गोज विदाउट सेइंग ना। मतलब
एब्सोल्युटली।
you should
you'd
obvious,
think
like if I ask you
you'd
to
think
demonstrate an Americana and you can't
you'd
demonstrate
think
an Americana, it's fucking
you'd be
game over.
but you'd be surprised. But demonstrating Americano on a highly skilled opponent is an issue. That's where the problem comes in.
हाँ, अच्छा अच्छा, मैं समझ गया। मतलब स्टैटिक पोजीशन में तो कोई भी कर देगा,
कोई भी
लेकिन
कर
अगर हम
देता है।
उसको थोड़ा डायनामिक बना दें, हम बोले चलो नाउ
बिल्कुल।
देयर विल बी 30% रेजिस्टेंस और
And
40% रेजिस्टेंस।
you tell the guy, hey, you're going to get
गॉट इट।
Americana. Then it's tough.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, गॉट इट गॉट इट।
So based on that, it's very subjective यार। बहुत सारे gyms है जैसे ग्रेसी बाहा वगैरह जो टेक्निक देख के फिर बेल्ट पकड़ाते हैं, मगर रोलिंग नहीं दिखता है।
यार व्हाट डू यू थिंक द फ्यूचर ऑफ ऑल दिस इज गोना बी लाइक? इसका कराटे वाला हाल तो नहीं हो जाएगा?
It's fucking all going to become bullshit, bro. It's all going that way.
फाक, मुझे भी यही लग रहा था यार।
Everything, सब कुछ कमर्शलाइज होने वाला है। बड़े आराम से आप देख सकते हो कि बहुत लोग हैं हमारे कंट्री में भी जो ब्लू बेल्ट्स है, मगर मेरे मेरे जिम में तो कभी ब्लू बेल्ट्स नहीं होते, मैं इतना बोल सकता हूँ आपको। तो कमर्शलाइज तो हो रहा है यार, 3 month blue belt course, all kind of shit is coming up with these guys, so it's hard to tell यार.
Dude, you know, one of the reasons I feel this happens to everything in the world
Is money.
is money and lack of our ability to collaborate. Last time जब हम तेरी podcast पे थे, Leverage Radio पे, I think we touched upon this कि हम लोगों को collaborate करना चाहिए. जितने भी authentic लोग हैं Indian MMA में, Indian martial arts में, उनको collaborate करना चाहिए. क्योंकि अगर हम छोटे छोटे आर्टिस्ट कोलैबोरेट करेंगे तो वील बी अ बिग आर्मी, राइट? देन इफ अ
तूने हमें
ब्रांड कम्स इन
उस टाइम पे
टुमारो,
बोला था.
हाँ, if a brand comes in tomorrow and say opens 100 schools overnight where they're teaching shit martial arts and giving belts for fucking
It's
money.
it's happening.
हाँ, so the point is bro, to fight against that good people have to unite. लेकिन हमारे good people साले अपने अपने छोटे से जिम में बैठ के वहां के बादशाह बनना चाहते हैं कि मैं
उनको
यहाँ का
दिखाना
king
है
हूँ.
कि यार मेरा स्टूडेंट है फर्स्ट इंडिया से मैप पे है कि माय स्टूडेंट इज वन अ टूर्नामेंट एंड ही इज द फर्स्ट इंडियन टू डू इट इंस्टेड ऑफ an Indian has won it. That's what's important to them. That's the problem.
And these guys 50 years later will have this one story only. I promise you that.
That's what I'm
50
saying.
years from now also they'll have
keep...
this one story only that, you know, I used to have a student, man. My student did this,
Instagram
man, did that, man.
उनकी Instagram पे होती है, यही दिखता है.
What about the future, yeah? These guys need to fucking focus on the future, man. Big corporations are coming. This whole lockdown shit that's happening, by the way, if people don't know, one of the agendas is changing the economic structure of the world. Small and medium-sized businesses are being wiped out. Big corporations are coming. Big corporations are coming in MMA also.
Okay, like
bro, anything. Like anybody with crores of rupees could open 100 gyms in India.
Yeah, you could franchise out very comfortably.
Yeah, they will not have the same passion you have. They will not be like,
they don't have to. It'll work. It's a business.
Exactly. They don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
So then purple belt will be available based on
literally
how much money you can
9 months you pay 2.5 lakhs, you got it.
I'm saying fuck 9 months also. Eventually it'll reach a point where you just pay. Yeah. Like with karate, bro.
Yeah,
we both of us know people we can call up right now. I don't know if you know people. I do. I can call up people right now and I can be like, black belt, this is the name. Where should I send the money? I swear to God.
Amazon Prime.
So you know Yashpal, right?
Yeah.
Yashpal's dog has a black belt.
Yashpal.
He did this as a sting operation.
What?
He got his dog a black belt, literally.
He did a sting operation?
Like so sting operation मैं बोल रहा हूँ, but कहने का मतलब है,
Tell me full story, please.
उसने यशपाल ने क्या किया, उन्होंने ब्लैक बेल्ट खरीदी मार्केट से. वो देखना चाह रहे थे कि ब्लैक बेल्ट खरीदना कितना आसान है
और वैल्यू क्या रहेगी इसकी,
अपने कुत्ते के नाम पे. अब तू बता यार, क्या करें बता.
He's legit though. He's got some good students. Seth is working with us now. But वही तो इज्जत
यार, ये legit word मत बोला कर, मेरी बड़ी दुश्मनी है इस word से.
यार मैं क्या बताऊं और क्या word use करूं यार तेरे साथ में.
I don't know bro.
क्या बोलूं मैं, but that's what I'm saying. Another 20 years, that's jiu-jitsu.
हाँ. तो क्या करना चाहिए bro? How do we prepare ourselves? How do we let's just talk about BJJ since that's your thing, right?
Sure.
Now that we know it's going to get commercial and it's going to get corrupt. You know that, right? There's no doubt about it. It's not like, oh, it might not happen. There's no room for wishful thinking here.
It's just when will it happen?
Exactly. So what can guys like you do?
Honestly, yaar, I've just focused on quality throughout my years. And I know that quality, quantity, that whole debate is always there. Like nature versus nurture. But because we're so competition oriented, if I produce athletes who are successful and win medals and win tournaments, then I'm good. I'll survive. I'll stay afloat. I might not flourish the way some of these other gyms do or anything else does. But my guys will have careers. They will have the ability to open their own gyms later on in life. And they'll do well. That's all I care about, honestly.
I like that, man. I like that.
So
I like that.
मैं that's all I can do. क्या और क्या कर क्या सकते हैं हम?
एंड पता है तू ऐसे बोल रहा है दैट्स ऑल आई कैन डू, बट ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है जो तूने बोली है अभी, बिकॉज आई सो यू नो आई एम इनटू साइकोलॉजी एंड माइंडसेट स्टफ एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट, राइट?
Yeah,
So
we spoke.
so one of the things that I recently learned about leadership was that, you know, people think leadership is about fancy techniques. How can you communicate and blah blah blah, or how much money you have and all that. So while all these things matter and make a difference, one of the core things about leadership is simply competence.
Yep.
If you're fucking good at what you do, you will always find a way to survive.
Agreed.
And there'll always be a group of people who will say fuck you to the mainstream, fuck you
This
to
guy
the
knows his
biggest
shit.
gyms, and follow you wherever you go, bro. You could take them into a jungle. You could be like, we're leaving the cities, we're going to a fucking jungle.
Yeah, and
Fuck
they
these
show up.
corporations. And they'll follow you
You're right.
because of your competence. And along with competence, there's only one thing I like to add, which is concern. That, you know, sometimes people get really good at something and they get cocky.
Oh, dude, tell me about it.
So I believe you also have to
Instagram has
care
made that
about.
even worse.
Yeah. Instagram is crazy, यार. उसको
Yeah,
छोड़ दो.
for sure. You're right.
Instagram is crazy, man. So you have to care, bro. You have to care about your people.
You mentioned concern. It's not easy, bro. Like, yeah, so concern is not easy. I mean, especially if you're looking out for your own athletic career, you're trying to run a business. So it's hard, but you gotta do it.
बड़ी पेशेंस भी लगती होगी ना एज अ टीचर.
Oh, मैं क्या बताऊँ यार तुझे.
कोई बच्चा आके एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है फॉर द 50th टाइम एंड यू आर लाइक भाई तेरे मैं
अब तो ये इतने एडवांस हो गए, इतना बोलते भी नहीं. मैं सच बताऊँ तो थर्सडे फ्राइडे तक चुप हो जाते हैं अपने आप, क्योंकि उनको भी पता है कि कोई फायदा नहीं, टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है सबका. तो मंडे ट्यूसडे वेंसडे में भी पूछेंगे, बोलेंगे, ज्यादा बोलेंगे. थर्सडे फ्राइडे तक उनको भी पता है कि सब पक गए, तो ज्यादा पूछते नहीं हम.
अच्छा, so one of the things I was discussing with some of my athletes about, you know, it was related to asking questions and thinking about theories and plans and how do we move forward, what do we do for the next 6 months. So we were having these conversations in one of my gyms, and मेरे को किसी ने ये idea दिया. और ये एक, I think this guy is a black belt. I'm forgetting his name. He's a very famous black belt. He's bald and he's very famous on the internet. You might know him.
He's a BJJ black belt?
BJJ black belt, yeah.
मैं तेरे को John Danaher.
I think that's the guy. I think
Yeah,
that's the
yeah.
guy. Yeah. He's very famous all over
Super,
YouTube.
yeah, he's the guy right now.
Okay, right. So इसी बंदे की I think कहीं मैंने philosophy पढ़ी थी. He said as a beginner, if you can first of all understand all the positions, तो ये जो philosophy है उसका goal है कि आपको BJJ में एक base देना. अगर आप beginner हो, आपको एक goal देना कि भाई ये सारी टेक्निक्स को मास्टर कर ले, फिर तू एटलीस्ट लड़ पाएगा, फिर तू एटलीस्ट कुछ कर पाएगा. तो उसने बोला नंबर 1 डिफेंस, मास्टर ऑल द पोजीशंस. पोजीशंस समझो पहले. आई एम यूजिंग द वर्ड मास्टर, बट लाइक अंडरस्टैंड द पोजीशंस. नंबर 2, हर पोजीशन से आपको एटलीस्ट 2 सबमिशंस आने चाहिए, 2 ट्रांजिशंस आने चाहिए, और उन सबमिशंस का डिफेंस आना चाहिए. राइट. अब ये मेरे को लॉजिकली एज अ लेमैन, क्योंकि आई एम नॉट अ बीजेजे कोच, आई एम नॉट इवन अ प्रैक्टिशनर, बट ये एज अ लेमैन मेरे को ये लॉजिक बड़ा सही लगा. ऑल द पोजीशंस, 2 सबमिशंस फ्रॉम ईच पोजीशन, डिफेंस ऑफ दोस सबमिशंस, and 2 transitions from each position. Yeah. What do you think about this as a goal for a beginner, this strategy, or should it be different?
As a beginner, and I think John talks about this also, कि फर्स्ट अपना बेस बना लो डिफेंसिवली बिल्कुल सॉलिड, ताकि जब आप if you go to attack and you lose position and you get to a position where you're stuck, you are defensively sound and you're safe.
Okay.
So work on your defense, because otherwise your offense later on is going to be completely shit and you don't have a solid base of understanding of jiu-jitsu. So if you can work and be unpinnable, you can be unsubmittable, then when you have to go and attack someone, you do it without any hesitancy and any fear in your mind.
Interesting.
So that if you lose position, कोई नहीं यार, इधर से भी हमें निकलना आता है. We'll just get back to it, no problem.
और fights फिर जल्दी भी नहीं खत्म हो रही ना.
वही तो
अदरवाइज वो भी डिमोटिवेटिंग होता है कि मैंने रोलिंग
एग्जैक्टली
शुरू करी, मैं 30 सेकंड में टैप हो गया, फिर शुरू करी, मैं 10 सेकंड में टैप हो गया.
क्योंकि लोग कभी अपने जिu-jitsu टाइम स्पेंड ही नहीं करते, वीक पोजीशन में स्पेंड ही नहीं करते, एंड दैट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज I mean, shit happens and you can get to bottom position. Life can also knock you down. You have to know what to do when you're in shit positions. Otherwise, there's no point in doing this because
Hmm.
you completely panic otherwise when you get to those shit positions.
Hmm. I'm so happy that you connected this to life because I often talk about how martial arts actually prepares you for life. Do you also see that? Do you also feel that sometimes that
For
being a
sure,
martial
man.
artist
For
has
sure.
made you like a warrior all over in life?
Dude, personally, though, I used to be cocky also, and I got super humbled by jiu-jitsu.
Oh,
So,
interesting. How did that
yeah,
happen?
I got my ass kicked initially when I went in. That's
अच्छा.
all that happened. हर रोज पिटा दो एक साल पिटा फिर then I
हाँ.
started beating back and then I got better and better and better and I got to the top of the hill in my gym. I'm still that's why I find training abroad. I find training in other gyms so that they
Hmm.
hammer me. And you have to keep humble and that's the only thing I draw in comparison with to life. There are a few more but that's the biggest one I would say.
Dude, you have that vibe, like so in knockout, I make people do this as a starting and closing ritual.
Mm-hmm.
This is how we start and close all our classes. And what I
Okay.
say is, on one hand, there is strength, power.
Mm-hmm.
Be a dangerous motherfucker
Mm-hmm.
for sure. Don't be a pussy. But control that. Have that under control. Be humble. Be honorable. Be a good human being also.
And
And
that
जब
second
मैं
part is probably harder.
it's the hardest thing to do, bro. It's the
Yeah,
hardest
yeah.
thing to do. But पता है क्या है, अश्विन? उल्टा भी होता है. कई लोग are very nice. Like nice guys. Like, I'm a
Oh, trust
nice
me, I know.
guy.
I,
Some people are very afraid of conflict.
bro,
So
I've
there
been
is
dealing
this.
with some pro fighters
Huh.
who are super nice, and it's very hard for me to get them to just turn that switch on.
Yeah, exactly. तो ये
I
दो
know
ये
exactly what you're talking about.
है ना. हाँ हाँ हाँ. So ये spectrum है. On one hand, you will find these crazy aggressive guys जिनको समझाना पड़ता है कि ब्रो संडे को ट्रेनिंग नहीं करते, बहनचोद संडे को ट्रेनिंग नहीं करते. और ये स्पेक्ट्रम के दूसरे एंड पे तेरे को ऐसे
Mm.
लोग मिलेंगे who are always smiling, always like hello, hi sir, how are you sir, all
I,
good sir, okay sir, and you're like
I know what you
यार
mean.
can you just be a little हरामी यार, तेरा मुंह से एक दो गालियां तो निकाल, तुझे क्या हो गया भाई.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
तो
I know
ये
what you mean. They become doormats, बेचारे.
हाँ हाँ. और आइडियल पर्सनालिटी मेरे हिसाब से ना वो है जो मेरे को थोड़ी फीलिंग तेरे से आती है, which is like power, but warmth also. Like
For
when I
sure.
speak to you, I see a grounded man. So I see somebody who's like, you're confident, you're grounded, you know what you know, you believe in your knowledge, you hold your space like I'm somebody. Okay. But
Likewise,
at
yeah.
the same time, there is a really warm vibe that you give off. Like you're friendly, you're warm, you're talking, you're sharing, you're open.
You know what I attribute that to?
Yeah.
And I used to be completely different. I used to be very, very insecure.
Acha.
And that's changed now over the years. Not as a person but especially with like my capabilities inside the gym and what that translates to. So if I'm not worried about that, I'm not worried that I'm not insecure about that, then I'm okay. And that I think is what comes across, and I see that with you also, man.
Thanks, man. Thanks. So this insecurity you're saying is one of the reasons why people either get stuck in too much niceness or too much arrogance,
I think so.
right?
The need to
Yeah.
show too much is mostly insecurity.
Or the need to befriend everybody,
Exactly.
be nice to
He won't
everybody.
like me and all that
Yeah.
shit
I
comes in
can't
with
raise my
doubts and fears.
voice. I have to be
Yeah.
quiet. I have to be smiling, you
Yeah.
know. So there was this
Correct.
quote by Dr. Jordan Peterson. Do you know Jordan Peterson?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So there was this quote by him that um, a harmless guy is not necessarily a good guy. A good guy is a very dangerous
Dangerous
guy
man who
who
has it under
has it under
control.
voluntary control.
Right.
Yeah, I love that quote, bro.
It's
I
true.
love that quote.
It's very, very true.
मतलब अगर हम कहीं मान लो कैंपिंग जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, तू है, मैं हूँ, 5-6 लोग और हैं, हम कहीं कैंप करने जा रहे हैं, तो लेट आई वांट ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ अस टू बी अ बैड एस, कि भाई यहाँ अगर कोई सीन हो जाता है ना, तो हम 6 के 6 बंदे, वी ब्रिंग यूनिक स्ट्रेंथ्स ऑन बोर्ड.
Yeah.
कोई साला इंटेलिजेंट है, कोई मान लो फर्स्ट एड में एक्सपर्ट है, कोई कम्युनिकेशंस में एक्सपर्ट है, कोई
You're
लड़ाई में एक्सपर्ट है.
the perfect SEAL team.
हाँ,
Yeah,
exactly,
that's how it
exactly.
works, though. That's how it works.
और वो तभी हो पाएगा if we have both the sides of the game, जो अपना
Yeah.
yin yang का symbol है यार मार्शल आर्ट्स में.
Yeah.
Like we are fucking badass, but we're also, good people.
Yeah.
तो तू और क्या बोलेगा bro, to these new martial artists all over the country जो घुसना चाह रहे हैं मार्शल आर्ट्स में, जो ग्रैपलिंग करना चाह रहे हैं, वो because they need help, bro. People in India are running towards MMA because it's the new thing, and they don't have enough guidance. और लोगों का ना सालों तक चूतिया कटता रहता है यार.
सालों, I mean, अभी भी लोग लोग पता नहीं कहाँ जाते हैं ट्रेनिंग के लिए. I mean, they go to bodybuilding gyms and they think that learning MMA. So I don't know what to tell people.
And
but
people cry, Ashwin. Like, I'm telling you this, okay? I think you need to know this. Like, I've personally seen people weeping because they spent 5 years learning something. वहाँ के बंदे ने उनको बोला कि this is BJJ or this is MMA. And then they came to a real gym.
And then trouble.
And day one, they were a fucking baby there.
Yeah.
They were a clown there.
Yeah.
And
it
so they
happens
cried.
with black belts in other martial arts when they come to jiu-jitsu gyms, or they come to gyms with a heavy in grappling, and they get taken down. It becomes a big issue for them because they dedicate their life to like a martial art which has not exposed them to this aspect of the game. So I do see that, and I do see people completely like, yaar ye kya tha? And they wasted like decades of their lives just doing one martial art. So I would say ki firstly, it's very easily online to verify material, not gyms and etc., but to find good jiu-jitsu material you can find online. BJJ Fanatics has most of it. It's not hard, at least for BJJ. For other stuff,
are you online, by the way?
For my own stuff,
if somebody wants to learn from you online, watch a video of you or something like that.
Right, very little, man. To be very honest, I haven't had the time and I haven't been doing it. Not
online classes भी नहीं conduct करते हो?
Warriors Cove does, but I don't personally.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
तो हमारे लड़के बहुत है जो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लेते हैं. हमारा अपना प्रोग्राम भी है, पर मैं पर्सनली नहीं था.
ठीक है.
मगर मैं इंस्ट्रक्शंस निकालने वाला हूँ थोड़े टाइम में. So I will be releasing that in Hindi completely, and I think that's what's needed in the market. And I think you were also doing something similar, right?
हाँ, बिल्कुल. मैंने जेसन के साथ एक सीरीज बनाई है जिसमें हम हिंदी में सिखा रहे हैं. और मैं सोच रहा था कि हम अलग से डिस्कस करेंगे आराम से, बट हम भी कभी मिलके कुछ अच्छी वीडियोस शूट कर सकते हैं. ताकि एटलीस्ट यार देखो, आप YouTube पे अभी जाओ, आप कुछ लिखो, सारे अंग्रेज नजर आते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते यार? हम भी तो कर सकते हैं. हमारी कंट्री में भी तो टैलेंट है भाई.
नहीं, मगर बहुत कम लोग कर रहे हैं. पता है, मैं आपको बताऊं तो ऑनलाइन हिंदी मटेरियल बहुत कम लोग दे रहे बाहर.
तो ब्रो, दिस इज इसीलिए तो आई वांट टू कम टू गाइज लाइक यू एंड शेक यू अप एंड बी लाइक, भाई इतना टैलेंट कहाँ लेके जाएगा? क्या करे? इसको क्या करना चाहते हो? इतने टैलेंटेड हो, इतने पैशनेट हो.
हमारा अलग बात है यार, बिकॉज I haven't gotten into. I hate Instagram. I fucking hate it. I hate putting myself on Instagram and all that shit. तो मैं धीरे-धीरे घुस रहा हूँ, आराम से.
Can I give you a suggestion on this? This is just what I believe in, and I could be wrong. Okay.
Go ahead.
But this is what I believe in. Guys like you should not get into Instagram, YouTube, all these things. You should hire somebody. Interns मिलते हैं bro, free के. फ्री के इंटर्न्स मिलते हैं. उसका काम होगा कैमरा लेके तेरे आसपास घूमते रहना. जब तेरा मन किया तूने कहा चल भाई मैं डेमोन्स्ट्रेट कर रहा हूँ, किसी स्टूडेंट को पकड़ा, हाँ भाई कैमरा ऑन कर ले चल. तू अगर उसमें घुस गया ना अश्विन, मतलब इफ माय रीडिंग ऑफ योर पर्सनालिटी इज करेक्ट, यू आर नॉट द काइंड ऑफ गाय हु कैन सिट एंड स्क्रॉल एंड फकिंग स्पेंड आवर्स ऑन दैट शिट. इफ यू गेट इनटू दैट, यू विल गेट इरिटेटेड.
Exactly. I have a couple of boys, but I just got to do it, yeah, to be very honest.
हाँ, कर ले ब्रो, कर ले. We can talk about this later on. बाद में करेंगे इसके बारे में बात.
तू मुझे बता तुझे कैसे करना है, हम कर लेंगे, no problem.
अच्छा, तो ठीक है, we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it after the podcast. Let's get into another subject that I wanted to discuss with you. I was actually very excited to discuss this with you. ये because this is personally very close to me. I'm very passionate
बोलिए.
about this. So realistic fighting, bro. Street fighting.
Yes.
Street fighting. अब
Hmm.
इतनी डिबेट्स चलती हैं उसमें. Which is the best martial art for street
First,
fighting?
let's go over one opponent or multiple opponents.
पहले एक से ही डील कर लेते हैं. मल्टीपल तो
Okay.
बाद में आएंगे
Great.
ना.
Great.
बंदों के एक तो ना सेल्फ डिफेंस में फैंटेसीज भी इतनी होती हैं. व्हाट विल हैपन इफ फोर
मुझे
पीपल विद
गुस्सा हो गया तो मैं
हाँ
इतने लोगों को मार दूंगा.
if four people enter my home with AK-47s, how do I defend them, Ashwin?
I use throwing knives and shooting stars.
so सेल्फ डिफेंस के बारे में बात करते हैं.
जी बोलिए.
मेरे को कहीं मैं किसी के पॉडकास्ट को सुन रहा था. गाय सेड कि बीजेजे थोड़ा सा डाइल्यूट हो गया है. ओरिजिनली जब बीजेजे आया था सीन में, जूडो के अगर हम उसके रूट्स को देखें तो वो बड़ा इट वाज वेरी कॉम्बैटिव. फाड़ देंगे बंदे को टाइप्स.
Yes.
धीरे धीरे, एंड टेल मी इफ दिस इज ट्रू और नॉट, ओके, बिकॉज़ आई हर्ड समबडी एल्स.
I will. बोलो.
धीरे धीरे what that person said was BJJ gyms have become softer and softer and softer, and now it's just like, let's be calm, let's roll, let's be
smoke
nice
a
to each
doobie
other,
and then roll.
let's smoke a joint.
Yeah.
और भाई रोड पे लड़ाई हुई तो कुत्ता बन जाता है यार.
Yeah. You're
तो
right.
is there a truth in this?
There is a lot of truth in that. But at the same time, if you have a guy who has the proper guidance and who's training at the right academy, they're killers. And yeah, man, back in the day, striking was a huge part of BJJ. Closing the distance management, taking an opponent down was vital. And that has stopped becoming important in today's BJJ world. A lot of gyms are not teaching that, which is why you are correct in the assessment कि water down तो हुआ है.
तो क्या है वो बेयर एसेंशियल चीजें बीजेजे की जिनकी एप्लीकेशन सड़क पे बहुत अच्छे से हो सकती है?
Distance management, strikes and a takedown. That is the most important aspect. And उसके अलावा जब जमीन पे पहुंचे हम तो control obviously, but distance management in all aspects. If you're on top, they're on bottom. They're on top, you're on bottom, or you're both standing. Distance management is the first thing that comes into mind.
क्यों? ताकि मुक्के ना पड़े.
मुक्के ना पड़े, और अगर मुक्के मारने तो कैसे मारे.
Got it.
Both. The second thing is protecting yourself, which means keeping your hands up and or throwing a strike to get a takedown. That is the second thing. The third thing is being able to control somebody when you take them down. जब जमीन पे पहुंचे हम, उसको कंट्रोल करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, वरना वो फिर से उठ जाएगा और फिर से सेम चीज करनी पड़ेगी आपको और गधे लगोगे. And lastly, if you lose position on bottom on the ground, what to do? How to get back up onto your feet and how to avoid damage to the maximum.
So मतलब रेसलिंग एस्पेक्ट जो है बीजेजे का,
Very
वो
important.
काफी important है when it comes to self defense and realistic fighting.
Super important. If you have a good wrestler, even take down fight a BJJ guy and he knows how to not get submitted, he will probably win that fight.
I've heard this. I've heard some of the top gyms of the world say this, that somebody who's been doing wrestling for 10 years, they come in, they learn a little bit of BJJ for 3 months,
yes,
and they're killers after that. They're
you
fucking
see these trends in MMA also यार, जो जिन बंदों के पास wrestling है और जिनको थोड़ा सा submission defense आता है, वो जीतते हैं, नहीं हारते वो.
Because their takedowns and their takedown defenses
stay
are
on top.
so hard.
They stay on top and you can't take them down. That's most important in a street fight.
Right. Have you ever been in a street fight?
I've been in a lot. I used to fight all the time, man. I used to fight. I grew up in a society which I used to fight every day. I used to come back with a torn t-shirt every day. So after a point, I was wearing the same t-shirt every day.
Oh, shit. Achha.
So yeah, I used to fight. I love to fight, and that's how I got into this.
सही bro, सही. And मेरे को ना लगता है कि that adds a little bit of credibility also इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि जाके लड़ो बाहर. I'm in no way saying, I'm
Yeah,
in no
please
way
don't.
telling coaches go and fight. लोग मेरी बातों को बहुत misinterpret करते हैं यार.
नहीं, but I love a good
तो
scrap from time to time, यार. Why not?
हाँ, but I
Keeps
feel
you on
it
your
just,
toes.
I would like to learn from somebody who's been in fights.
Yeah,
I'm not
absolutely.
saying
Same.
you have to go and
Same,
actually
same.
fight to become
Oh,
a
of course,
coach.
yeah. You want a guy who's got a few scars. You don't want a guy who's untouched.
हाँ, हाँ.
Because then you have some real life principles that he might be able to pass down to you.
Absolutely, man. Absolutely.
जो काफी important है मेरे ख्याल में.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. So what about your training? Are you going to continue it now here in India? Are you planning to go abroad for some time?
यार मैं ट्राई
What are
तो
you
कर रहा था
planning?
कि मैं अमेरिका चले जाऊँ थोड़ी देर के लिए, मगर कोविड के साथ तो हालत टाइट है अभी. तो अभी तो निकाल रहा हूँ मैं ट्रेनिंग. थर्ड वेव होगा तो देखेंगे क्या होता है. बट अभी के लिए तो चल रहा है मेरा अपना ट्रेनिंग, मगर देखते हैं 2-3 महीने होपफुली आई विल गो आउट.
सही है ब्रो, सही है.
हाँ.
एक ना मेरे दिमाग में एक्सपेरिमेंट आ रहा था जब तू अभी बोल रहा था अबाउट टेक डाउन्स एंड दिस एंड दैट वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट, राइट? हाउ टू व्हाट इज what are the best things to do in a street fight based on BJJ techniques.
राइट.
So एक एक्सपेरिमेंट मेरे दिमाग में ही आ रहा था कि किसी दिन let's conduct a class outdoors.
राइट.
क्योंकि do you think there's a difference when you roll on say a footpath or a
Yeah, of
road
course.
or a park or a
And
nightclub's floor?
any external stimuli which you are not used to will make a
Uh-huh.
difference in a fight. Anything. यार मैं लोगों को दूसरे जिम में ले जाता हूँ और वो मैट्स को देख के बोलेंगे यार ये थोड़ा अलग फील हो रहा है. तो मैट से ही
Oh,
फर्क पड़ता है लोगों को.
fuck.
तो आप
Interesting.
अलग एनवायरनमेंट दोगे तो गेम चेंजर है. बट
Interesting.
इतना ज्यादा फर्क दिखेगा नहीं आपको. इट वुड बी वेरी लिटिल माइन्यूट.
बंदा
बट
जल्दी
एट द
अडेप्ट भी कर सकता है ना. हाँ.
yeah, but in my opinion, I mean, the best martial art or the best thing to do in a street fight is to fucking bounce. Get the fuck out of there, run.
You're right, bro. You're right.
Avoid it, yeah. What's the point?
If you can avoid a conflict, nothing like it. अगर
Yeah,
आप
yeah.
भाग सकते हो तो भाग जाओ.
Yeah.
अच्छा, ये एक और रीजन है why I feel अगर बीजेजे की ढंग की टेक्निक्स को यूज किया जाए जो एक्चुअली काम करती हैं रोड पे,
Right.
तो it's very practical because fights always happen in close range.
Absolutely.
अगर तू मेरे से दूर है तो मेरा लड़ने का मतलब क्या है? I should turn
Yeah,
around and run.
the good strikers also turn into grapplers.
हाँ, and so my point is, if you and I get into a confrontation in some nightclub or somewhere, and you are 3 feet away from me, right? You are in kicking range, let's say.
Yeah.
I should run. Why am I even arguing with you? If I
Yeah.
really want to do self-defense, I should
That is
fucking
self-defense,
turn
101.
around and sprint.
Same. I mean,
Only
that's how
if
it
you are,
works.
only if you're in my space, if you're in my face and you're not
If you
letting me
can't get
run,
away, correct.
yeah, only then should I fight, right? So that's where only your close range techniques like your elbows and of
Knees,
course grappling and all
headbutts,
that. Yeah,
biting.
yeah.
Do
That's
what,
why
you do what you
that
have to at close range to just incapacitate and leave. That's how it works.
I like that word, incapacitate. Deadly,
मतलब और क्या करे यार.
deadly word. I was speaking to another martial artist friend of mine. He used the word neutralize. Neutralize the enemy.
That
मैंने
sounds a
कहा
little
"Bench."
एक कुत्ते के साथ नहीं काम कर रहा है कि न्यूटर करके. Neutralize is also a little different. But yeah, it sounds a lot like neuter. So
Neuter.
don't use that. It sounds like neuter, so I don't use that. I don't use neutralize. It sounds
अच्छा. So we were talking about like what's a simple strategy for a street fight, and I said in my desi language कि घुस जाओ अंदर, दबा के मारो और उसके बाद निकलो वहां से. And he said entry, pressure, neutralization. I was like, क्या बात है?
वाह
Fancy
यार.
words.
Cultured man. Man of culture.
Man of culture, सही बात है.
हाँ.
So talk about your gym, bro. Like, अब मान लो किसी एथलीट को तेरे पास आना है, कोई तेरे से आके सीखना चाहता है.
अब
How
किसकी
can they
बारे में बात
find
कर रहे हैं?
you?
BJJ, MMA, both.
Both, bro. Both. Somebody wants to come to you, learn from you. How can they reach you? What kind of programs do you offer? Things like that.
Well, we have, I mean, depends on their level. अगर आप pro athlete हो, then you can immediately join the pro class. We teach BJJ, we teach grappling for MMA, we teach striking for MMA, and we have a basic MMA class as well. You can join that straight off the bat if you have some pro experience and maybe extensive amateur experience. Agar aap, if you're not a serious practitioner, if you just want to do it for fun, you can just walk in and get a regular membership and join us, man. Warriors Cove. We are in phase 1 in Gurgaon. You can reach us on Instagram, Warriors Cove MMA, or you can just reach me at Instagram, but please don't. I'm Ashwin Hoon on Instagram. Yeah, but not hard to find. And I would hope ki yaar welcoming. Our guys are becoming more and more welcoming by the day, I think.
What do you mean by that, welcoming?
They're getting used to training with a lot of different people. A lot of different people have started coming in. Earlier, they used to be closed off to more people and to new people, and now they're getting used to it and they're actually enjoying new people come in.
हाँ, अच्छा, you're talking about पहले जो वो होता था कि लोग अपने ही जिम में रहते थे, बस बाहर नहीं
अपने
निकलते
ग्रुप्स
थे.
बना के, गैंग्स बना के दूसरों के साथ ट्रेनिंग नहीं करते थे.
Bro, I decided to solve that problem by connecting my ego to something else. So I want to be the guy who says, मैंने बताया था तेरे को अश्विन के पास जाइयो. That's my trip. I don't want to be the coach. I don't want to be the guy who took care of everything for you. I'd rather be the guy who told you what to do.
Yeah, that works,
मैंने
man.
बताया था अश्विन के पास जाइयो.
People need solid mentors, and yeah, that works fucking well. If it works, I mean, nothing like it, ना?
हाँ यार, ये क्या लोगों के अंदर एक अजीब सा वो होता है कि
सब कुछ कंट्रोल करना.
सब कुछ कंट्रोल, तुम मेरे अंडर ही रहोगे, कहीं और देखना भी मत.
तू मेरा बच्चा है, तू मेरे साथ ही ट्रेनिंग कर सकता है, तू मेरे जिम में क्लास लेगा. नहीं भाई, जहाँ ट्रेनिंग करना है कर.
ब्रो, मेरे जिम में ना एक ट्रेनर होता था. उसने क्या किया, और ये मेरे को बहुत बाद में पता चला, ठीक है, वो बच्चों को ना डंडे मारता था अगर वो बोल दें कि वो कहीं और ट्रेनिंग करके आए हैं. एंड आई डिडंट नो दिस ब्रो. ये बंदे ने मेरे जिम में कई महीनों तक ट्रेनिंग कराई, ये इस विद दिस ड्रामा. अगर बच्चा बोल दे ना मैं रेसलिंग करने अखाड़े गया था, अखाड़े में रेसलिंग करना इज सो गुड ब्रो. अगर आप अच्छे अखाड़े जा रहे हो, माय दिस फकिंग इंस्ट्रक्टर वुड बीट अप चिल्ड्रन एंड आई डिडंट नो अबाउट दिस. The moment I found out, I fired him. I was like, get the fuck out of here.
God.
बताओ यार.
He took his coaching very seriously, huh? Oh fuck.
And I asked the fighters, I was like, तुम लोग मुझे क्यों नहीं बताते थे भाई ये चीज? मेरा है नॉकआउट, मुझे बता देते, मैं उसको निकाल देता. कह रहे हैं सर ये वो बस हम थोड़ा घबरा गए, हम नहीं बता पाए.
और मारेगा मैं.
हाँ वो और मारेगा.
I get that, brother. A lot of so many gyms that do that shit. यार बहुत लोग करते हैं. गुरुजी का सीन तो अलग ही है.
गुरुजी बनने का बहुत शौक है ना लोगों को.
बहुत शौक है. कुछ करने के बिना लोगों को गुरुजी बनना है. Born to be a guruji. Like no life experiences, but guruji.
सही है bro. So is there anything else you want to share with our audience?
What's happening with you यार? When are we going to see Knockout reopening? Because अभी हमें 2-3 महीने तो लगेंगे मेरे ख्याल से.
Bhai, we will open as soon as the government gives us the green signal.
Right.
And I even have a few people who I'm going to send to you.
Perfect,
few very promising athletes who seem to be, demonstrating good skills, good competence. I'm going to send some of those guys to you. Absolutely. I think already 1 or 2 people are coming.
Yeah.
Gokul was coming.
Yeah. Yes, Gokul was here for a long time. He was getting very, very good also.
Nice.
Good kid, man. He's doing well.
He's very serious, bro.
He's game. He's game more than anything else. चुपचाप ट्रेनिंग करता है, निकल जाता है बस. What we need more people like that. So he's good.
Yeah. There's this attitude also, right? Like there's a certain जैसे military में होता है ना, एक code of behavior होता है. I think
no whining. No whining.
So what's that code of behavior according to you for people who want to learn martial arts? And ये जरूरी है, bro.
Suck it up and stop making excuses कि यार मुझे ये करना है, मुझे वो करना है. 2 घंटे निकालने दिन में ट्रेनिंग के लिए. निकालो. जो हो रहा है तुम्हारी जिंदगी में 2 घंटे निकालने तो निकालो. Stop fucking whining, stop complaining, stop making excuses, because everybody does it. I do it all the time. But I make sure I quieten that part of my mind and I just go get it. So
Go get the job done, period.
just do
Go
it.
get the
It's
job
not
done.
that much
Yeah.
work. Do it and you'll feel better after, I promise you.
Fuck, bro. Yeah. And this is why I feel, and I always say, like, this is something I'm fucking repeating like a tape recorder,
Hmm.
that martial arts is actually preparing you for life.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Fighting makes you good at life, bro. Fighting just makes you good at life.
It can't
That's it.
not, nah. It beats you up in so many ways.
हाँ. अब ये देख,
So
same principle of just go get it done. I can apply it to business. I can
fucking
apply it to
anything.
anything. Like, let's say there's a
Anything.
business meeting I don't want to do, but I have to just go and get it done, na yaar, if I want to be
Yeah.
successful.
Yep. Absolutely, bro. It applies everywhere. And a lot of principles overlap and apply. And you'll see that the more you get into your martial arts journey.
It's actually blowing my mind away, Ashwin. The deeper I go, it's
Yep.
blowing my mind away as to
The parallels.
how, yeah, man, fuck, how much the mind gets affected.
Bro,
Like
it's all
today, I
mind.
today I had this crystal clear realization in the morning. I don't know what was happening, but it was this clear realization that your ability to handle conflict is directly proportional to how much success you will see in life.
Yeah, for sure.
I am not even going to sugarcoat this. I'm not even going to say you should be strong or don't listen to your haters. No, no, no. Those are very low level motivational statements.
Yeah.
I am saying mathematically, technically, your ability to handle conflict is
Hmm.
directly proportional to how much success you'll see in life. Period. Just
Agreed.
look at it, bro. People who lead, somebody who's leading a government, somebody who's leading, say, a business like Amazon, how much conflict do they have to deal with on a day to day
On a
basis?
daily basis,
They are
hourly
getting
basis.
lawsuits are being filed against them. People are trying to actually physically, literally assassinate them.
People are
Fucking
getting
things
shit
are
about their
happening.
personal lives and exposing them. So, like, on a day to
Yeah,
day basis, those guys go through shit, man.
yeah,
But they get
yeah.
on with it, right? Regardless of what's happening.
They deal with it. They have the stomach to digest that much. They have the stomach to digest that much conflict.
And that does take a certain amount of mental fortitude that comes with time, I
Yeah,
think.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Chalo, sahi hai. On that note, I shall stop the recording here.
Cool.
All right. Listeners, I one thing I want to say to you is Ashwin ka gym check out karo. Warriors Cove likho. Go to google.com, write Warriors Cove Gurgaon. It is one of the best gyms for Brazilian Jiu Jitsu, grappling, and even MMA in North India. Check it out.
Cool.